Our amazing run of blue water has continued this week and the shark numbers are as high as ever. At times you could see maybe 100 sharks from one spot. If you ever wanted to see grey nose sharks in abundance, this is the time to be here. We currently have a lot of short-tailed shearwater birds hanging around Fish Rock. They seem to have no fear of humans and will hang around divers on the surface. In Australia, they are often referred to as mutton birds since they apparently taste like mutton.